Hi there, students. Atelier. Okay, this is an artist's studio. This is an artist's workshop. This is where somebody who works in fine arts or decorative arts or even an architect works. It's where they do their work. Now, in the past, and this could still be today, the atelier was the workshop where the master would work, and there would be various assistants, students and apprentices, and they would all work on different pieces of fine art or visual art under the supervision of a master, of somebody with a very good name. And this is something that has happened from medieval times up until maybe the 19th century. Today, the atelier is normally just the place where the artist works. It's the artist's studio, or it's the sculptor's studio. It's where the person makes their ceramics. That is the atelier. It's a studio or a workshop for an artist, a designer, even for a fashion house. Yeah, a fashion house producing haute couture, high fashion, and maybe there are various people working in the atelier, but it's the room or the building in which an artist works, where they produce their masterpieces. Yeah, it's their workshop, their studio. Now let's see, formality. Atelier, it sounds a bit posh. 6.5 informality, 6.5 semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, this comes directly from French, atelier, which is the artist's workshop, but in itself it comes from Latin astula, a splinter of wood. Maybe, for example, if you break a bone, they tie a piece of wood to it to keep it in place, and that's your astel or your astula. So, atelier, an artist studio used by a designer and artist, something like that. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Atelier.